The story of Buddha. Clear as water. One day the Buddha was meditating under the tree. One of his disciples was also with him. He needed Buddha's advice on something. Buddha finished his meditation and asked the disciple what he wanted. The disciple said, "I am very angry today. My brother is refusing to take care of our old mother. I have the sole responsibility for this. I mean to have a word with him, but I am not sure what to tell him. I came seeking your advice on this." Buddha, instead of responding to this question, said, "Can you please fetch me a bowl of water from the pond nearby?" The disciple was a bit confused, but since the Buddha had requested something, he immediately took the bowl and went to the pond to fetch the water. He saw that some animals had walked across the pond, and the water was muddy. He returned to the Buddha and said the water was not in a drinkable state. The Buddha said, "Let us meditate." After some time, the Buddha asked the disciple to get water. This time, the water was clear, and the disciple could get water for the Buddha. Buddha drank the water and said, "Your mind is like the pond, and when you have angry thoughts, the mind becomes useless, just like the muddy water. But give the mind some time, and let the anger calm down, and your mind will give you the answers." The disciple agreed. Because he had spent a lot of time near the Buddha in meditation and in fetching water, his anger had calmed down, and he realized that he had never spoken to his brother about taking care of their mother. He was sure that if he spoke to his brother, he would agree. He then sorted his issues with his brother with a calm mind.